Gemstone Jewelry Care Guide for Beginners. Gemstone jewelry is timeless, vibrant, and full of personality. Whether you're wearing sapphires, emeralds, rubies, or moissanites, proper care is key to maintaining their beauty. Here's everything a beginner needs to know. 1. Know your gemstone's hardness. Gemstones vary in hardness, measured by the Mohs scale. Diamonds, 10, are very hard, while opals and pearls are softer. Handle softer gems like turquoise, moonstone, and emeralds with extra care to avoid scratches. 2. How to clean your jewelry. Mild soap plus warm water plus soft brush is safe for most stones. Rinse well and pat dry with a soft cloth. Avoid hot water, ultrasonic cleaners, or harsh chemicals unless you're sure your gem can handle it. 3. What to avoid. Chemicals from perfumes, hairsprays, or cleaning agents. Extreme temperatures and direct sunlight can fade some stones. Wearing jewelry while swimming, showering, or working out. 4. Store separately. Gemstones can scratch each other. Use soft-lined jewelry boxes or pouches. Store each piece separately to avoid tangling and surface damage. 5. Regular check UPS. Prongs can loosen over time, especially with daily wear. Have your gemstone jewelry checked by a jeweler once a year to ensure stones are secure. 6. Special tip: put jewelry on last. As a rule of thumb, makeup first, jewelry last. This keeps residue and sprays off your precious pieces. 7. Rotate your jewelry. Give your favorites a break. Rotating pieces prevents excessive wear and tear and gives all your jewelry some love. Final thought. Taking care of your gemstone jewelry doesn't need to be complicated, just a little mindfulness goes a long way. With proper cleaning, storage, and handling, your gems will shine for generations.